All right, welcome back guys. Now let's add the payment methods on our website. So we are going to use Stripe as the payment method on our website. Okay. So to do that, go to your WooCommerce and go to payments. And here you can see we have PayPal, but we don't have Stripe. Okay. So to get Stripe, go to plugins. You will need to get a plugin to get Stripe. So go to plugins, add new, and here search for Stripe. R-I-P-E. Okay. Now let's see. Stripe payments. Yeah, this one has good ratings, so install it. Stripe. Actually, you can use any one of these. Okay, then activate. Yeah. Let me just dismiss this PayPal. Geolocation, we'll configure it later on. Okay, now let's go to WooCommerce settings and payments. Scroll down, and as you can see, we have three new options: Stripe payment, Alipay, and Stripe checkout. So let's just turn this one on. Okay, and setup. Here transaction mode is test mode right now. I will let it be on test mode. If you want to put it on live mode, so what is the difference between test mode and live mode? When you use the test mode, the credit card details that you will enter will not be charged basically. And live mode, so basically whatever the credit card details will be entered will be charged. Okay, put it on test mode for the tutorial purposes. All right, now scroll down. Stripe payment enable, Stripe overview enable, title pay via credit debit card. Okay, secure payment via credit debit card. All right, order button text, pay now. Okay, preferred card, whatever these are, capture payment. Okay, restrict card, no. Enable transaction receipt if you want to. All right, now go back up again, and we need the test publishable key and the test secret key. Now to get that, go to your Stripe dashboard. All right, then go to developers, and here go to API keys. All right, and you can see now it is on the test mode. Viewing test API keys, toggle to view live keys. So you can toggle from here. All right, so let me just get the test keys, and the publishable key is this one. Let me copy and paste it here. All right, and the secret key, so reveal secret key, copy this one and paste it here. Okay, scroll down and save. All right, so guys, that's how you add Stripe payment gateway to your website. Now let's go back to payments. Here, if you want to enable cash on delivery, you can do so from here. You can just toggle this, then go to setup. All right, enable cash on delivery, title cash on delivery, whatever, description, instructions, whatever. Enable for shipping methods. Now what is this? Remember in the previous video, we made one shipping method for USA. So what this means is whenever this shipping method is selected, cash on delivery option will be available. All right, so save changes. Okay, now let's go back. If you want to add PayPal, you can do so by enabling these and going to your PayPal account and getting the keys and pasting them here. All right, so that will be all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.